What's up guys, it's Talha here and this is part 2 on modeling a simple backyard scene in Revit. Let's get started. Let's add the grass. So level 1 architecture component, and you will find a grass family here which we have loaded in our project earlier. So select this. Again, I just remind you can download this from my website. So I will put the link in the description. Now let's place here. So now, let's array this. Go select this and you will get the dimensions here. Let's try to add 3 the width. Let's make it 5. So 5 is enough. And length, I think maybe we need to add like 10. Okay, let's change it to 9. So 9 is enough. We will add wall here. So close this. Go back to level 1. Oh, we already in level 1. Now let's create the wall here. Select wall. Eight inches. No, we want to make 6 inches. Go back again, select 6 inches wall. Edit type, duplicate, edit. Create new. Let's call it wall or whatever. And go to appearance and select this texture. These two are default Revit textures. I just separated them for this tutorial. So select this, open, and click on the image. Go down, and first we want to change these to scale separately. So click here and let's make it like 5 feet by 3 feet. It's looking like this. Done. And we will add reflectivity to this one also. So check this box and make it 3 by 2 or 5 by 2. Okay, now okay. Change this location line to finish face exterior and make a wall here. So I have created these walls. Okay, we will change the height. So select all these 3 and unconnected height we will make like 8 feet. Now let's add a skylight or skylight roof or a shade here. So we will create that by using roof. Go to level 1 again and select roof. Okay, we will create this on level 2, of course. Later on we will change the offset, or we can create from on level 1, then we will just give it offset. Select yes and create a rectangle. Change this so 4 feet is okay now, or we will make 5 feet. Take this down. Now select all and you need to click here, define slope. You need to uncheck this because we don't want any slope here. And from this list, okay, so from just click outside this and select this, then click here and select slope glazing, then Then we will change nothing, just change the offset here. Okay, base offset. So height of the door is 7 feet and the walls are 8, so let's make 7 feet 6. Okay, and if we go to 3D, if we look something like this, just go back to edit again. We will change the size of this. 4 will be okay. 4 feet. Select all and place them to the corner here. Okay, now we will add mullions around this, mullions on this glass. So in the architecture tab you have this, you have mullions here. Select and this one and select this option, all grid lines, and click. It will add around this, around this curtain, this glass. Now we will add some curtain grids in the center. So you can see we cannot see this. We'll do it in 3D. You can create a new view range, but for now we will create in the 3D view. So select this grid line and add a grid line here. Okay, now we will equal all these. So modify, select this dimension. Now click this little EQ and it will equal the distance. Select all, delete, we don't need these dimensions, and you can see we already in the 3D. So now we will add mullions on these curtain grids as well. So go to architecture, mullion, and select this 1-inch square, all grid lines, and just click on the grid line. Now okay, I forgot to show you how to change the color of these mullions. So select this one, select any of these, select this and go to edit type, and here in the materials and finishes, so you might find something like this. So to change the color, we will add this tint here. So click on this checkbox and you can now change the color of this from here. I'll just return it back to something like this. Okay, so we almost finished this. Now we only need to add a dining table here. If you want to add a door here, you can add. I will just keep it like this. Now go back to level 1 and component, and let's add that table, this dining table here. And we will add some plants here. So first just select component again, and let's add this pot or vase, whatever. If your file is very slow while working on this because of this grass family, you can just hide it. So I will hide now. Select, right click, hide in view elements. Now it will work a bit faster. Now select this again, just align this to the wall and from here to the floor. You can see these are touching this spot here. So select these 3 and 4 and just use arrow keys to move them. Now select again, copy multiple, we will add 2 more here. Now select this again, edit type, we want to add the same material as this one. Click here to change the material. It's already selected, so it's also the same. Now okay, if it's not, you can select this same material. And now change the material of this dining table. Go to edit, marble base wheel, or I will add all wood texture. First we will create a new, rename, select this, open. You can change the brightness to make it darker. Okay, add some reflectivity like 5 and 3. Okay, and let's copy this same material to the other objects as well. And okay, so we have finished modeling this backyard. Oh, we need to add a texture here. We want to add a different texture on this wall. So first we will split this face. So go to modify, select split face, and just save, and select the face of this wall. So you can see if I hit tab key, it will highlight this face. Then click, and let's go to the front view so we can see it clearly. Change the visual style to wireframe. Oh, still we cannot see it, so we better create a section here. So close this, select section and create one like this. Then go to the section view. You can see we can now clearly see this wall. So select split face again and select this, select the face of this wall, and then just draw a line like this. Make sure it's touching this wall profile, this line, and the bottom also. Now finish, and you can see we have split this face, and now we can add a different material here. So first we will create a new material. So go to manage materials, create new, and yes, you can rename this if you want. This time we will select this texture, open, and let's change the size of this. We'll make like 3 feet by 3 feet. Done. And reflectivity we will try, so 5/2 or 3, anything. Then okay. Now you need to use the paint tool to add a different material here. So you will find that paint tool here, this one, paint. Then just select that texture from here. Where is it? So here it is. Select this and just click when the face is highlight, click, and we have added this material. And close this. We want to change the, okay, we will add on this face also. So go back again, modify, paint tool, select this material. We will add this to this roof face, slab face. Then we will add on this side of the wall also. Now I think we need to change the size of these walls because it's looking very small. Select all these 3 and make 9 feet, and we have to change the height of this shade also. Select this and we'll make 8 feet. Okay, now let's add the plants here. We forgot to add the plants here, so go to architecture, we'll add it from the top view and select this plant family. You can see it's very big, so we have to reduce the size of this. So place it anywhere on your screen and then select this family and go to edit family, go to the top view, go to the reference level and select this family and select scale. We will make it a bit smaller, something like this, and take this to the center, then load into project, override the existing version, and you can see it's small now. Let's place it here. Still it's big, so we will go back again to the family editor and we will change the size again. So it's enough now. We will copy from this corner here, and okay, so I forgot to check this multiple. Anyway, let's copy this. Let's go to 3D and okay, so it's looking very small, so we have to change the size again. We'll make it a bit. Now load into project, override the existing version, go to 3D. And it's looking perfect. Now let's add the lights. So select component and you will get the light family here. So we will select 277 watts. You can see we cannot see the family here, so we will just place it randomly, then we will change the height of this. So if you take the cursor to the wall, it changes, so it means we can add the family to the wall here. So click here, click again, we will add 2, ignore these warnings, then create a new section facing this wall, then go to the section view and we can see your light families here. So take them up maybe 7 feet or 7 feet 4, no, 7 feet 2, then okay, delete this. Now select this one again, 7 feet 2, it's already 7 feet 2, so we'll make 7 feet 4, then let's move it here. So 7 2, so we have to make 7 2. And let's go to 3D and we have finished modeling this simple backyard. So I will stop this tutorial here and we will work on the rendering in the next tutorial. So stay tuned for that and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you guys in the next video.